New at 5, bond denied for Alec Murdaugh. A Richland County judge says the former attorney is a risk to the community. Taggart Hook from our sister station, WYFF, was inside the courtroom today and has this report from Richland County.
SLED claims Alec Murdaugh stole more than $3 million in insurance funds from the Satterfield family. Still, though, more questions than answers. Alec Murdaugh entering his bond hearing in handcuffs Tuesday. Looking on, the family of Gloria Satterfield, who authorities say died after a fall at his home back in 2018. The state claims Murdaugh stole $3.4 million in funds from insurance settlements to the Satterfield family. Their attorney said Murdaugh's bond should be that amount.
He is a clear and present danger to the citizens of this state and to my family. This is a man that used a gun on Labor Day weekend. This is a man that used a pen to steal.
The defense argued Murdaugh is not a risk.
So, Your Honor, having pointed out his willingness to confront these charges, he hasn't run once, not going to run, and the fact that maybe he, at some point was a danger to himself in an opioid-addled mental condition, asked somebody to shoot him in the head. But that's not where he is today. He's been through 6 weeks of addiction treatment. He needs more.
The judge denied bond and ordered Murdaugh's attorneys to provide a psychiatric evaluation of their client. The Satterfield's attorney thanked the judge. We asked Murdaugh's attorney what exactly is next. He says it is not yet clear. He also says it is up to SLED where exactly Murdaugh is held.
Now, while Alec Murdaugh's charges for misappropriating funds from Satterfield's estate plays out in court, South Carolina investigators looking into the late housekeeper's cause of death, as well as the unsolved double homicide of Murdaugh's wife and son. ABC's chief legal analyst Dan Abrams spoke today about the constant new developments linked to these cases, even pointing out inconsistent statements Murdaugh said about Gloria Satterfield's death.
Now they're looking back at how she died. Remember this, the theory was that she had tripped over the family dog and fallen down the stairs. I mean, just sort of stop and think about that for a minute, right? The notion that no one said, wait, what happened? So that's what they're now doing. They're now saying what happened, and they're going back and looking at it in part because of inconsistent statements he made, even about where she died. So there are so many tentacles now to this investigation, and it just continues.
Now, Abrams also spoke about insurance fraud charges Murdaugh is facing for an alleged failed murder-for-hire plot. Murdaugh told investigators that he hired Curtis Smith to shoot him in Hampton County to secure millions of dollars in insurance money for his son. Abrams raised questions about the conflicting statements following that incident.
We still don't know exactly what happened in that incident because we were certain, it seemed, that he was shot. Now it seems he may not have even been shot at all. So there are so many questions here, but the most important investigations are with regard to the housekeeper's death, to his family's death. He is a possible person of interest in all of that.
Now, if you want to learn more about the Murdaugh family's mystery dating all the way back to 2015, we've put together a timeline for you. You can check it out right now on our website, WJCL.com.